Today's presentation is on writing algebraic equations to solve word problems. One of those word problems might be, how many minutes are there in 1 hour? How many minutes are there in 14 hours? How many minutes are in n hours? This is very important. You must have a piece of scratch paper. When you see the pencil, write the problem down. This will not look like a work assignment. You can write sideways, upside down, take notes, write the problem, write your steps, draw arrows, draw a picture, and you're going to turn in your scratch paper for a grade. Algebra is used every day to solve problems. For example, you have a job and you get paid $8.25 an hour. You want to figure out how much pay you will receive if you worked 16 hours. You can write in words, I get paid $8.25 for every hour I work. Algebraically, you would write $8.25 H, which means 8.25 times the number of hours that you worked. When a whole number or decimal stands beside a letter, that's always a multiplication operation. You should always write the formula first for every question. So, you would write something like $8.25 H equals pay. Then you substitute the number of hours into the formula and calculate your result. Your pay would be P. Write your answer on your scratch paper as P equals what amount? Use your calculator to figure out the answer and write this on your scratch paper. This will be the first problem that you write down on your scratch paper. Now it's your turn. Use the same formula, but calculate your pay if you worked 20 hours, then 32 hours, then 18.5 hours, 22 hours, 110 hours. You worked a lot. On your scratch paper, this will be the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth answer that you have on your scratch paper. You can pause the video and complete your work here. Now here's the same question with a twist. If you got paid $189.75, how many hours did you work? You get paid the same amount as our previous problem, $8.25 an hour. You can divide the pay by your rate of pay to get the number of hours worked. Algebraically, it would look like this. This is your next assignment, see the pencil here, on your scratch paper. In your calculator, put in $189.75 divided by $8.25 and calculate the number of hours. Here are some new problems. Some of these problems require that you know basic facts. If you need to look the facts up, you can pause the video. On your scratch paper, how many seconds are in a minute? How many minutes are in an hour? How many hours in a day? How many days in a week? How many days in a year? How many weeks in a year? How many months in a year? How many centimeters are in a meter? And how many meters are in a kilometer? Pause the video and write your answers or do some research. Now that you know the answer to the basic concepts, how many days are in 3 weeks? Since you know there are 7 days in a week, you can write 7 days times the number of weeks. Or algebraically, 7W equals D. 7 times the number of weeks equal the number of days in those weeks. Substitute in the formula what you know. 7 times 3 are the number of days. You see your pencil here? Calculate your answer and write that on your scratch paper. How many hours are in 4 days? There are 24 hours in 1 day, so 24D equals the hours in a day. If you take 4 days, calculate 24 times 4 to get your number of hours. And you see your pencil? Go ahead and calculate your answer. The last part will take you a little bit longer. And this is the last part of the assignment on your scratch paper. How many days are in 3 weeks? Write the formula and solve. How many hours are in 4 days? Write the formula and solve. How many centimeters are in 1,500 meters? How many months in 13 years? How many weeks in 7 years? How many years are in 3,250 weeks? And I wrote careful here because you have to work backwards. So what's the opposite of multiplication? It's going to be division. How many years are in 250 months? How many minutes are in 4 hours? How many hours are in 17 days? And the last one, how many kilometers are in 4,509 meters?